anglerfish, anglerfish. B is for barracuda, barracuda. C is for crocodile, crocodile. D is for devil ray, devil ray. E is for electric eel, electric eel. F is for fangtooth, swim in our bows. G is for great white shark, great white shark. H is for hammerhead shark, hammerhead shark. I is for irukandji, irukandji. J is for Japanese spider crab, swimming with a wish. K is for killer whale, killer whale. L is for lionfish, lionfish. M is for moray eel, moray eel. N is for needlefish, needlefish. O is for orca, orca, orca. P is for pufferfish, pufferfish. Q is for queen triggerfish, triggerfish. R is for red lionfish, ready to attack. S is for shark, shark. T is for tiger shark, tiger shark. U is for urchin, urchin. V is for viperfish, viperfish. W is for whale shark, whale shark. X is for ziphosura, ziphosura. Y is for yellow sea snake, sea snake. Z is for zebra shark, zebra shark. Now we've learned from A to Z, dangerous creatures in the sea. Watch them swim wild and free, it's an ocean world for you and me.